Did you know seatbelts can have multiple stages?
In other words, more than one pretensioner can deploy at the same time. Let's take a look. The difference between each stage can be determined simply by counting the number of plugs or ports. When you remove your unit, keep in mind the number of plugs connected. Just by looking at the removed unit, you should be able to point out the ports. If it contains one, it's a single stage. 2 ports means it's a dual stage. And 3 ports means it contains 3 charges. And that makes it a triple stage seatbelt.
Hey guys, if you have any questions that we haven't covered in this video, you can always just email, call, or text us.
Our contact info is listed below and always on MyAirbags.com.